Us at 6:30. First tonight, Mobile's mayor and police chief say crime is down in the city.
And they say something they call 21st century policing is why. News 5's Ashley Knight joins us now live in the studio to explain.
Well, although this is the first we're hearing of these tactics, Public Safety Director James Barber says they've been in place since he was first appointed police chief in November of 2013. So he took a closer look at these statistics. This is data reported to the FBI every year by Mobile Police. Looking at the numbers, you can see a clear downward trend in crimes like burglary, robbery, and larceny. Unfortunately, homicides have recently gone up. And though some crime is down, Mayor Sandy Stimpson says he's not happy with the numbers.
Those graphs and those numbers represent victims of crime. And when you start putting a face with those victims, instead of just looking at lines or numbers, then you have to become more compassionate about what is going on. Burglary numbers were at their highest in 1987 at almost 9,500 cases. It was at its lowest in 2015 at just over 2,200 cases. However, homicide has seen a spike from 23 cases in 2015 to 44 in 2016. Public Safety Director James Barber says they saw an unprecedented number of teen gun deaths that year. He blames it on a rise in adolescent gang members.
You know, we can't change the hearts of some people, but we can change the behaviors if we begin very young. And a lot of our prevention has to do with dealing with the next generation.
Now, one of the programs dealing with prevention is the Bridging the Gap initiative that was first developed by then Police Chief James Barber in 2015. It has since spread nationwide. It involves bringing together youth and police officers and teaches proper conduct. He says the number of arrests made in schools has been cut in half since the program's inception. Now, the 6 pillars of 21st century policing, they say, include building trust, utilizing social media, policy and oversight, training, safety, and community policing. And they tell us we'll be talking much more about these pillars and what they're doing within each pillar to safeguard the community. We will keep you updated on that here on News 5. Live in the studio, Ashley Knight, News 5.
Thanks, Ashley. Putting